Hello, Girl Scouts. This is Nikki, Program Manager at Girl Scouts of Western Ohio, and we are going to kick off the Cadette Breathe journey today. We're going to be doing a little breathing and meditation. I'm sure all of us could use some of that right about now. So as people get logged in, we will just chat a little bit. So let me know in the comments that you're here and where you're here from. I am in Dayton, Ohio. And again, with Girl Scouts of Western Ohio. So if anyone is here yet, let me know if you've tried any sort of meditation also. This is definitely not an area of expertise of mine. So we're going to be connecting with a longtime partner of ours at Girl Scouts. Her name is Bronwyn, and she is a yoga instructor here in Dayton. Awesome. Hi. Hi, Rebecca. So yes, please let me know where you're here from. Awesome. Hello, Kelly, also in Ohio. So anyone here so far, are you familiar with meditation? Is that something that you've tried before? Hello, Christy. I am not so familiar with meditation, and I've done some yoga, but I think that this is something that I would love to have in my life. So, like I said, we're going to be partnering with Bronwyn, who is an instructor here in Dayton, and she is the expert. And whether you are a Girl Scout cadet or if you are any age, you are going to enjoy today's activities. So, all right. So meditation is definitely something that helps with your mood and your overall well-being. So if you can type an emoji of how you're feeling today, any emojis? I am feeling a little tense for sure. So I don't know how much I've actually breathed today. Anyone else logging in? All right, so as people are coming on, I want to repeat that I am Nikki. I am a program manager for Girl Scouts of Western Ohio. I work out of Dayton, Ohio, and me and my team have been having all sorts of fun with these Facebook Lives and connecting with you all around the country and around the globe, really. So today we're going to be focusing on the Cadette Breathe journey, and you definitely can't complete a journey in one Facebook Live session. So we're going to be sort of kicking off the aware portion of the journey. So breathe is all about just your sense of air, whether that is an environmental focus or a personal focus, which is where we're going to be today with the breathing and meditation. So really discovering all different kinds of topics within the realm of air and breath and anything that you can, that would fall into those categories. And if you have the Breathe Journey books, there's lots of great information in there. And there's other, sample activities and things that you can do in order to complete the journey. You can also find all the information on the Volunteer Toolkit if you are logged into that. But really just focusing on the discover portion of these topics within this. So I'm sure if you're logging in today, you have an interest in breathing and meditation and some different areas within the yoga realm. And if today's information really sparks something in you and it makes you think of a take action project that you can complete, you could definitely step on to the next portion of the journey, which is the alert portion. So that is the take action project that you'll be completing after you discover some different information about breath and air. And, if breathing and meditation isn't something that really excites you, it's still going to be really valuable information and really good to practice, and then you can go on and just keep exploring some different areas. And once you complete that Take Action project, you will have completed the Alert Award. And then finally is the Affirm Award. So that is where you're going to share the information that you've learned and share with, your community or your troop or your service unit or your friends or whoever. You're going to share that information out so that you can complete the awarded by educating others. So any emojis yet? How are we feeling today? Anyone? Let me scroll through here. So we've got lots of people on today from Ohio. Awesome. So like I said, Bronwyn is a yoga instructor here in Dayton, and she's been a Girl Scout partner of ours for quite a while. And she does in-person workshops. So once we get back in the center, if you're interested in signing up for one of her workshops, you can. We're going to be tagging her in the comments. So if you want to connect with her, especially the adults out there who might want to take some of her classes in the local Dayton area. So we are, again, just going to dive into the aware portion of the journey, and you're going to take it on your own from here. And if you have a yoga mat, you can get that out. You don't have to have one though, so you could even do this from your bed or on a comfortable blanket or carpet or whatever, because we're going to be really focusing on the breath today. Bronwyn's going to take us through some awesome activities. Hello, Las Vegas. And so then you can complete that journey on your own after this. Is anyone going to be working towards their silver award here soon? We just did some training earlier today about the highest awards in Girl Scouts. Hello, Alicia. So once you complete this, if you are a Girl Scout cadet and you complete your journey, you could work on your silver award. Due to the current world events, we have GSUSA has extended the deadline on that this year. So with the just limited resources and things in the way. Alrighty, so if you are ready for some breathing and meditation and to get this journey started, what you're going to do as soon as we say goodbye here, you can find the link for the video either in the description of this video or in the comments, or you can go to the GSWO Facebook page in the video section and you can find it there. So this is actually a recorded video that Bronwyn put together for us. So go find it and enjoy it, watch it. Hello, Jessica. And let us know in the comments how you're doing with it and how you feel. So those of you who might have felt a little stressed right now, maybe you'll feel quite different when you're done. And like I said, it's really great for all ages. You don't have to be a Girl Scout cadet in order to do this. I'm definitely going to be following along myself. And if you're not already a Girl Scout, now in any time is a great time to sign up for Girl Scouts. So I know a lot of you all around the country, you can go to girlscouts.org/join and you can get connected with Girl Scouts in your area. So again, find the link to the video in the description or in the comments or in the video section of our Facebook page. So enjoy, peace and love, and I will talk to you soon.